Today's menu is the ultimate beef rendang. I must say that we are preparing this in Portugal, so we don't have certain ingredients, so go easy on us. Okay, these are our ingredients. First of all, we have our sambal paste. I'm gonna cheat and just use this. This has red onions, some chili, some garlic. We also have some coconut milk from Malaysia, Malaysian brand, ayam, which means chicken. We have our turmeric, our kunyit. Looks good, good color. We have a little bit of sugar, about a teaspoon. Some cloves, only 3 cloves because this is quite strong. Some cinnamon, we've got 2 sticks. And some lemon leaves because we don't have kaffir leaves, so we're using this instead.
We'll do the job just fine.
Yep, we also have a piece of ginger and the main ingredients, beef. A lot of beef because we have
big family coming over, so we have...
It's a big party.
Yes.
And salt and basmati rice. Right, shall we get cooking?
Let's get cooking.
Did you take notice in my cutting skills? That's because I've been learning with Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning platform and community for creative people who want to learn illustration, design, photography, animation, writing, and so much more. On Skillshare, members come together to find inspiration and to take the next step into their creative journey. I'm currently taking Eliana's class on knife skills, a mini class to chop like a chef. This class helped me a lot as I wasn't very confident in the kitchen.
Hi, my name's Ilana Karp and I'm the head chef at Plated. Tip for knife skills is the bear claw and holding your ingredients with your bear claw. Keep rocking, the knife really never leaves the board. We're just slowly feeding the celery into the knife.
Now we've got something for you. The first 1,000 people to click in the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Now, let's get back cooking.
Big pan. We're gonna add a bit of oil. I would say this is enough.
Yep.
Bring in some light. Alright, first ingredient is our sambal. Maggie sent us this because we didn't have at the time, and it's just much easier to... So technically I'm not cheating. Well, let me just lower down the heat.
I just did it. Smells really good already. And it's only the paste frying up.
If you don't have sambal, you can make your own. This consists of chilies, red onions,
garlic, I think, as well. I mean, the paste has it all, but you can make your own.
If you don't have.
Yeah, basically it's just all the ingredients, you put it in a blender, and that's it. You have your paste.
But I really like this paste, so...
Yeah, it makes our life much simpler because we don't have some ingredients, and at least this one has an original taste, I would say.
Second ingredient, ginger. This dish was invented in West Sumatra by the Minangkabau people. They have like this weird structure on the roof which resembles like the buffalo horns. Very interesting architecture.
Yeah.
Interesting people also. We're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. First a bit of turmeric.
Ooh.
I would say like this is enough now. Just a tiny little bit more.
Oh, put it all.
Why not?
There you go.
Two cinnamon sticks.
There we go. And this is so just that the flavors get all combined here, and the flavor is also released by the frying up.
3 cloves.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, one thing that I also have to mention, we don't have lemongrass.
We don't have it, so we skip that. But obviously it's one of an important ingredient, I would say.
Very important, but we don't have, so you just have to play with
we
what we
skip
have.
it,
Right?
yeah.
Looks time to get darker.
Maybe if you turn off the light so I can actually see the real color. There we go.
Isn't it too dark?
No. It's perfect.
Right, you can see it's a big bowl of
Yeah, I hope that the paste that we did is enough for all of that. I think it is.
Okay.
It just looks... The pan is very big,
I've
so...
already salted the beef, so this has already got salt.
Yeah, but we're gonna add a little bit more salt as well.
Yeah.
Just in case. Whoa. Champur, champur.
Oh yeah.
Mix, mix.
That very meta.
Yes.
Meta.
Then once it starts frying up a little bit more, then we can, once all the juices get released from the beef as well, we can lower the temperature and let it simmer for a while until it gets all cooked up.
And then coconut milk.
Wow, what's cooking here?
Hello
my
there.
God, it's my nephew.
Hello there, stranger.
Oh, you kept your promise at last.
Look at me, I feel like a proper chef now. Look at this. Ooh.
Wow. Looking white. Okay. And I can't stress enough that we found coconut milk from Malaysia.
This is in Spanish, leche de coco, but if you turn around, leite de coco in Portuguese. Rico in sabor means rich in flavor.
And look at this. Oh, it smells so good, and I'm not even a big fan of coconut milk.
Leite de coco, yeah, you really don't like coconut milk.
No.
Oh, another ingredient that I didn't add, but this is because none of us really like, is the star anise. I never really like that flavor.
Yeah.
Of that spice, so I didn't add it here. We also have to adapt to our taste, so
Exactly.
I'm skipping that.
Yep. And I think once he gets back to the boiling stage, maybe we can add the salt, because we haven't added salt yet.
And sugar.
And sugar.
Normally you use palm sugar, but obviously we don't have that as well here, so you're gonna use the normal white sugar. Okay, shall I add the salt? I'm gonna add the salt.
A bit too much? Yes, I think that's too much still, but okay.
I like it salty.
No, I think that's okay actually.
A bit more?
No, we can adjust later on just in case. If
Okay.
you put it, if it's salty now, there is not much we can do, but if it's in need of salt, we can always adjust it. Yeah, you
This
can.
is about teaspoon
Yeah, and we're gonna taste it later on so we can,
of gula.
Oh.
So next we're gonna lower the heat. Let's put it on 4, close the lid, and we shall see you very soon. This needs to cook like for an hour and a half. Where's the lid? Leave that now cooking for about an hour. I'm gonna occasionally open the lid and give it a little stir. Keep an eye on the beef. See you in about an hour. Hello there. Let's check into our beef rendang.
wow, it looks good.
It's getting darker.
Yes, and it's almost all evaporated. And it looks orange here, but it's not orange.
Look, I'm gonna add our lemon leaves because we don't have kaffir.
It's going to be the same thing, I would guess.
So we just need to like wait until this gets darker.
I don't know if it's gonna get much darker than this.
Don't you smell like the lime leaves? The aroma? Can you smell it?
Yes, it smells really good though.
Meanwhile, I think I'm gonna prepare the rice, the nasi.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna throw in the rice.
Well, you have a professional cook.
I know. I know. And now he's gonna cook for us every day, aren't you?
Oh yeah,
Every Monday I want you to cook.
can't promise you that, but wash the rice.
Very important.
Look, so we don't want this nasty water, so we always have to clean our rice. I'll say like 4 or 5
Do
times.
you know that in Portugal when we make rice we don't wash the rice?
I know. I am guilty of that. Every time that we cook rice, João usually cooks it because he washes it and he takes care of it.
And make pretty good rice, I must say.
Yes,
We
and
like the starch of the rice.
yeah, we usually don't wash it off.
Then I'm gonna add a bit of salt.
To
And
the
then-
rice?
Yes.
That's another thing they don't do.
Hit my head, eh?
They don't add anything to the rice, but we
I do.
always add salt to our rice because otherwise, for us, it doesn't taste of anything.
Some people, this dish I think you cook it with coconut milk, but prefer
What, the
that,
rice?
Yes.
Oh no,
And
leave it
lemongrass.
like that.
Yes.
I would suggest you to stir, sir. There you go.
I'm definitely a big fan of Malaysian food. I
Oh,
would love to learn how to cook it properly.
well, there's only one way to do that.
When you're over there, I will come and visit. It's a promise.
2 hours later.
2 hours later. Hello there. I think the colors are just right.
And the rice.
We've got our beef rendang. We've got our hungry family.
Everybody's here.
Okay. Oh, your beef.
Wow!
And the rice.
Yeah, just plain rice.
Okay.
Now,
Makan ba.
makan ba. I'll be the last.
Pasta.
Okay.
And you eat with a spoon.
Spoon and fork.
This looks really, really nice actually. It smells wonderful.
Cucumber.
Bom, kom lá,
Put that in the plate.
kom lá, chips.
4 bit of garnish.
Hoje tem papau rice. Vai. Nossa senhora. Só uma colherzinha de rice.
He's not a big fan of rice.
Your grandma?
There you go. Rice is good.
O gosto da canela é
Não vou canal.
muito bom. Sem canela, João.
Well, first fault, he doesn't like cinnamon.
Yeah, he's saying that
The cinnamon tastes
too intense for him.
Não tem nem tá muito picante.
very tender.
Por mim. Eu gosto de picante só, eu não sei se eu vou picante.
Tell me your verdict.
Yeah, very good.
Alright. Cheers.
You never knew your uncle could speak.
I like it very much, and again, the cinnamon is a bit strong, so I understand.
Had the same opinion.
But it's very good. It's very similar. I think there's just
But
a couple of
personally-
tastes
I
missing.
personally like the cinnamon. It cuts the spice.
But it's very, very good.
Alright then. Turned out pretty good. Pretty good.
It's very similar. Of course, there is a few ingredients missing out. So
Like the lemongrass, I think it's very important to have the lemongrass, but we couldn't find it anywhere. So
no, it is good. It's very good, and it's very tender as well. So it cooked for quite a while. So as it should be.
apron out. I think it was a pretty successful dinner. Beef rendang turned out pretty okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.